Hello friends, welcome to CloudTech. In this video we are going to see real CICD deployment ECS. What are the tools we used here? It's Amazon AWS, Git, Jenkins, SonarQube, Nexus repository for artifact. Here Docker, Slack for notification, Amazon ECS for deployment. Please like and share and subscribe this video for more. Here we are using Jenkins for creating the CI/CD process before created. So I already created this, and I have three servers names called Jenkins, SonarQube, and Nexus. I have created before, so it is in running state, and I already installed all the dependencies based on the servers what we need. So we will go with the Jenkins pipeline here. So this is already deployed in the ECS, so just giving some demo for the ECS CICD. So here I'm going to build the Jenkins pipeline. Before I check the load balancer what I created in ECS and target group for staging and production. So these are the ECS cluster what I created for production and staging. Hope I'm going to build now. So you can see the stages. It will be take a little bit time to complete. You can wait or you can fast forward. Here the now entire CI/CD deployment is completed in the stages in Jenkins. So you can be able to view that it is finished successfully. So now we are going to check the ECS the tasks, the clusters. So see these are in the deployment stage. Here we used you can able to view that it is in running state. The tasks, you can see that the previous task is in 4 hours ago. Now the new build is going to be in activating state. After that it will be in running state. So once the new one is running state, the old one will be deleted automatically. I just refreshing this. See, the second one is created now on running state. Once it is stable, the previous one will be deleted. On the side I just take in the load balancer whether it is created or not. Here what we implemented, it will be came to successfully. These are all the codes we run in the GitHub. So it's working perfectly, and see the old one will be deleted and new one will be now appear here. This is the just demo purpose. If you need the full video, you can see it in Telegram channel. So see, the artifact will be uploaded in the Sonar Nexus. You can able to view in my screen. Yes sir, for the full video you can join our Telegram group, and we will give the entire things what you need. This is a SonarQube code quality what we have checked on this. Here there is Slack notification whether the build is success or not. We can able to notify the previous build is success, so we can able to view that. Within the containers we will check whether it is running properly or not. It's running properly. That's it. You can see that. For the full demo you can join our Telegram group. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, share more. All the best.